Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add images to a Substack post quickly and confidently without getting lost in any settings. First, open Substack and sign in. Make sure you already have your image saved on your computer so it's ready to go. From your dashboard, look near the top and click the Create button. For this walkthrough, select Note. Notes are for quick updates, but the image upload process is the exact same for full-length posts. Next, click the image icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small picture frame. This opens your file chooser. Find your saved image, select it, and click Open. Substack works great with standard formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. Give it a moment to upload. Once it appears in your editor and everything looks good, just click Post to publish. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tutorials. See you in the next one.